Here it is. The newest, most advanced. Hang on a second. You can't wait, can you? Cosori air fryer. Ooh. My first Cosori air fryer. Look at that. Packed very well. 16 pounds. 1 pieces. I'm gonna open it right here. And I'm so hungry, I'm gonna try it out right away. Okay? Oh, another box. Oh yeah. Look, live life tastefully. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Think there's another box? Oh yes. Look at this. Nice. Simple one-touch selections. Recipe book. Great. 100 air fryer recipes. 11 easy cooking presets. Has a shake reminder. Like halfway through, you remember you used to stop your other ones and move them around, shake them around. Well, this has a reminder. And I think it beeps and tells you. Shake it. That's fun, huh? And then it does some other things too. Let's see. Let's open it up. 5.8 quarts is a big one. Oh, that's... Oh, I'm gonna have that later for a snack. Don't that look good? Check them out on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. Wow, look at this nice book. That's a heavy book. Extra warranty, 12 months. Ooh, instructions, user manual. Look at that recipe book. Pizza, breakfast pizza. That's the first picture that showed up. Remember we made that a few weeks ago with Kyle? Mini pizzas, oh my gosh. Honey sriracha wings, Parmesan chicken wings, bacon wrapped stuffed jalapenos. Bacon wrapped shrimp. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun with this. Hasselback potatoes. Cinnamon rolls, desserts, alright. First I want to get this out and I'll get familiar with the buttons. I'm gonna make pierogies for my lunch because I'm really hungry. But in a couple days I'm gonna make something good out of that recipe book. Okay? Nice. Here comes the unveiling. Ooh. Look at this. Can you peel that off of there? Great. Separate this basket so you can clean it and take the... Oh, there's a push button there. See? Easy cleanup. Cardboard under there. Put that back in. Pops right back in. Got that slide there so you don't accidentally push that button, which I did in the past with a different brand. I pushed that and the whole base dropped. But here you push that forward and then you can unlock it. See? That's safety, that's good. Whoa. Great. Nice cord back here attached. I like when they're attached because when they're not attached you gotta find them and wonder if it's the correct cord. I like to leave this plastic on, but I'm going to take it off so you can see it. Wow. Now there's some kind of instructions on the top here. Do you want to come closer or can you see okay back there? Okay, this I could take off of the top. This just says, do not open this, it's not a lid, do not fill with oil. It's just a couple safety instructions. Okay, and look at the nice finish. It's like kind of textured black. That's all in the front too. Nice. Great. So the first thing, look at this. Look. Woo! It's kind of frosty from being outside. Oops. Okay. Look at that control panel. That all lights up. Watch. Yeah. See, it goes away. Lights up. I got some Mrs. T Pierogies. Frozen. You ever have those kind? For my first meal. My brand new Cosori, top of the line, 5.8 quart air fryer. Frozen. We just sprayed them a little bit with some cooking spray. Put them in. Let's see, I see French fries or snacks up here. You can go manual too. They have steak, fish, shrimp, chicken, bacon, preheat. They have bread, vegetables, carrots, cake or something. Wow, that's gonna be some dessert. I'll press fries and play. Look at that. There's a play button and a pause button. See, pause. Play. All right. So let it get up to temperature and count down. It's going to be great. And like I said, I'm going to read the instructions and we're going to see halfway through. It might tell us to shake it. Shake that basket. Look at this, nice texture. It looks nice on the counter. All right, I'll be back when it tells me to shake. I'm going to check the book out a little bit. Nice, isn't it? I'm looking at the box. It says 360-degree air circulation technology. Working as a dual fan convection system, the fryer requires little to no oil. Ooh, less fat, fewer calories. From 0 to 60, fry foods for as short as 1 minute or as long as 60 minutes. Other fryers cap things off after 30 minutes. Safety, overheating protection, modern design, of course. It's distinct from others, it sure is, and it looks stylish on my counter. I like the control panel. Look at this. Look at all this good stuff. Look at this full of fries up there. 100 recipes. Fried chicken, roasted vegetables, T-bone steak. Oh, coconut shrimp, baked salmon. I like it. All right. Now, let's just see when this reminds us to shake our pierogies. And I'm hungry, you know that. All right, I'm reading the instructions and I'm more than halfway through with my time. And it says for some presets, the shake alert will come up halfway through, but I didn't see that yet. Maybe not for French fries. But look, oh, remember they were frozen? I'm gonna shake them. You know I like everything crunchy, you know that. Back in there, 10 more minutes. All right, less than a minute. Can't wait. And remember, I'm gonna learn a little more about it. There's a snowflake, but I can check the book here. Let's see. Oh, that's for frozen foods. Okay, maybe I should have pressed that. See, I'm learning. And if you want to change the temperature or time, you hold this button down. See, I could change it. That's Celsius. Fahrenheit. But before I push play, I could change the time and the temperature by using that. Oh, did I do that? I'm sorry. So this is nice. This is the most modern one. All right, it's finished. It's nice looking too. It don't look like them eggs, them other kind of air fryers. Let's see how it is. You know I like mine brown and crunchy. Oh, look at them. Let me get a plate over here. Plate. Pierogies. Ooh, Mrs. T's. Mrs. T, that's Mr. T's wife, you know. Now I like to put salt and pepper on mine. Sometimes I put garlic powder on there. I like to melt some butter on mine. But you don't have to. I like it like that. It's gonna be a good lunch. I'll move that around, see? I just want to show you. Beautiful. I can taste them for you. Step back. Time to eat. Boy, that butter melted quick. Hear that crunch? My first snack in my brand new Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. You gotta get one of these. Doesn't it look nice? Recipe book. My next video with this, I'll be making a recipe out of the book. Remember? You like pierogies? You can make homemade french fries. Well, you know, this ain't everything in the book. Not everything. You can make a lot of good stuff. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my lunch. Check out Cosori. It's amazing. It's delicious. I'll see you. Have a good day.